All right, so we picked up this Monster Sports or this full-size hockey goal from EZGoal. I have the EZGoal lacrosse goal plus backstop, and we went ahead and just went with the goal here for the hockey. It went together very easily. Everything just kind of pops together, and then there's a couple pins in the corner that you can pull those out to fold this thing up. So you have to take apart the middle piece here, and you pop that apart, and then you can twist something here, and the top shelf will fold down. So I would say the longest part of putting it together was tying up all of the netting. That's kind of a pain in the butt, as it is on any goal like this. So overall, pretty happy with it. We'll show when it's folded down what it looks like, but I've strung it tight enough, maybe too tight, so the shots aren't dying in the net, they're actually rebounding. I had quite a bit of extra string left when I strung it up, so my advice would be when you're putting it together, don't pull everything super tight. That'll also make it easier for taking out that middle section. So overall, it's working out really well for us. We did buy another backdrop that's a bigger, called a shag stop, that we'll do a video on that at another time.